Be ready to centrifuge the sample. For that we need a two-pan balance to balance our samples, and then we'll transfer the samples to the holders, the adapters that are here, rubber adapters, and then we'll introduce them into the centrifuge. The door opener is on the front. Okay. And then the sample will go into the centrifuge head. We'll set up the speed and the time, and then start the centrifugation. To set up the samples, we take the adapter, take the sample, get rid of the ice inside, and note that you always balance with the adapter. The other one is an empty tube, so we'll put a bit of water into it. Beer black. Then we'll use a pipette to finish the balancing. The samples, open the main door, remove the lid to the head, retrieve your samples, and make sure you have a symmetrical loading. And always verify the other holders so nothing's left behind. Looks pretty good. The lid goes back on, and you should notice there are two screws on it. There's this guy and the silver one. So the silver goes on first, and then you do the black one. Now we're secure. We close the main lid. We'll look at the control panel for the centrifuge. The first thing to look at is the control, the readout for the temperature. It should be about 4 degrees Celsius. The next one is the RPM, the speed at which the rotor will be moving. And then we have the speed dial to set the speed we want. And over here we have time, the time function. Run this machine at 3000 RPM. The force being expressed is 1075 Gs. This is what we need for today. So we'll put it on 3. The time is 10 minutes. So we have our speed, we have our time, and now we go start. One good practice is when I start these machines, my hand is always on it, because I will feel the imbalance before the machine or any noise occurs. With experience, this tells you to stop. Now, if you don't have exactly 3000 RPM, simply you can go back to the speed dial, readjust it. The one you have confidence in is the physical readout. The dial can be slightly off.